we have sumome.com. So when you get to the home page here, scroll down, you'll see a number of different options. First one is called the highlighter. Whenever anybody highlights something on your page, automatically the social share buttons will show up. And the little box to write a message, and you can tweet it, share it. You can pick whatever social media share buttons you want. So if we go back, I want to show you two others. This was originally meant to be used for Pinterest, but it's now you can use it for whatever social media platforms you want. So you see, whenever somebody puts their cursor over the picture, you'll get these little share buttons that'll show up above it, and they can share the picture if they want. And it'll even include the alt text, like I was talking about in the website analysis section for people who use screen readers and for search engines. And these are the ones you see on the left, but you can put them on the right, you can put them on the top, the bottom. You can have them show the number only after you've reached a certain number of shares. So if you don't want anybody to laugh at you because you only have like 1 or 2 shares, you can hide the number until you get like 5 or 6. And then it'll show you your top pages based on the number of shares. So you get a little analytics. And that's what it looks like.